My accountant reminded me that I am due to pay my second payment on account of 2024-25's tax liability by July 31st. I'm worried I won't have the funds available. Can I delay the payment or reduce interest charges? Payments on account are designed to spread the tax burden by allowing you to pay your tax bill in 2 installments, one due on January 31st and the other on July 31st. These payments are based on your previous year's tax liability, helping to spread the cost throughout the year. Unfortunately, there's not much you can do to avoid interest on late payments. However, HMRC does have the ability to waive penalties in some cases. If you're unable to pay the July installment on time, it's crucial to contact HMRC as soon as possible. HMRC have an online facility enabling people to set up a payment plan, but you can also phone them. You should also reassess whether your current payment on account is accurate. Remember, the July 2025 installment is an estimate based on your 2023-24 tax year. If your business income has dropped or you've made more tax-deductible investments in 2024-25, your actual tax bill may be lower than expected. Submitting your 2024-25 tax return before July 31st could allow your accountant to reduce your payment on account, so you only pay what's truly owed. Getting your financial information to your accountant early gives them time to prepare and finalize your return ahead of the July deadline. This means they can confirm your actual liability, potentially lower your payments, and help you avoid overpaying. There's another bonus to filing early. If you're due a refund, the sooner your return is submitted, the faster HMRC can process it and get the money back to you. This can be especially helpful if you're counting on that refund for personal or business expenses. And don't worry, if it turns out that your 2024-25 tax bill is higher than expected, the extra amount isn't due until January 2026. So filing early won't mean paying more any sooner. Overall, filing early puts you in control. You'll know what you owe well in advance, giving you time to plan, save, and avoid any last-minute surprises. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to explore payment options or get tailored advice if needed.